Speak to your customers as they directly discover your business. Google My Business messaging allows customers to directly chat with businesses from the Google search result page. Hi, I'm Will Amosich, and welcome to another edition of BotSplash TV. Google My Business Messaging, or GMB messaging, was launched by Google in 2017 using SMS, in which consumers could send a text that would appear on the GMB account dashboard. By 2019, Google went away with the SMS messaging and replaced it with an instant messaging layout, and the rest is history. With GMB messaging, a consumer can directly chat with a business from the search result page. On that very first page are 4 call to action buttons. A consumer can call the business, get directions to the business, or even visit the business's website. The 4th call to action button is the chat call to action. This is the call to action button that, enabled by GMB, can allow a consumer to directly get in contact with a business representative from the Google search result page. BotSplash was one of the first companies to partner with Google in beta testing GMB functionality. With BotSplash's integration with Google My Business messaging, users can go and see all their consumers that have gone through the platform, and this provides another avenue of lead generation for them to utilize. I hope that this has shed light on what Google My Business messaging is. I'm Will Amosich. Thanks for watching BotSplash TV.